Hello friends, welcome to Public School channel. Today we will discuss on information about Indian agriculture and its importance. Before we start, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates on new topics. Agriculture is primary source of livelihood for about 58% of Indians population. There are two major agriculture seasons in India, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif season lasts from April to September, which comes under summer. Rice is the season's main crop. Rabi season lasts from October to March, which comes under winter. Wheat is the season's main crop. India has the 10th largest arable land resource in the world, with 20 agri-climatic regions. All 15 major climates in the world exist in India. The country also possesses 46 of the 60 soil types in the world. The Indian food processing industry is on the edge of huge growth, increasing its contribution to world food trade every year. The Indian food processing industry accounts for 32% of the country's total food market, one of the largest industries in India. The Indian food and grocery market are the world's sixth largest, with retail contribution of 70% of the sale. India is currently the world's fourth largest producer of agrochemicals. India is the largest producer of spices, pulses, milk, tea, cashew, and jute, and the second largest producer of wheat, rice, fruits, and vegetables, sugarcane, cotton, and oilseeds. Further, India is the largest in global producer of mango and bananas. India has the largest livestock population, which translates to around 31% of world's population. India is one of the largest manufacturer of farm equipment such as tractors, harvesters, and trailers. Accounts for nearly one-third of overall tractors production globally. Sale of tractors in the country stood at 8,04,000 units in 2019, with exports of 80,475 units. It is among the 15 leading exporter of agriculture products in the world. The dairy sector witnessed growth rate of 6.4% annually in the last 4 years, against the global growth rate 1.7%. I hope you are enjoying this video. Before I will tell you more interesting facts about Indian agriculture, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell button for more updates on new topics. West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in India, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Punjab. Uttar Pradesh is the largest wheat producing state in India, followed by Punjab, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat state of India is the largest producer of cotton, followed by Maharashtra, Telangana, and Karnataka. The state is also the largest producer of groundnuts in India. West Bengal is the largest producer of fresh vegetables in India, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh. India is among the largest producer and exporter of ginger, okra, and second of potatoes, onion, cauliflowers, brinjal, and cabbage. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute in India, followed by Bihar, Assam, and Andhra Pradesh. Jute is the second most important natural fibers after cotton, and it also most affordable natural fibers in the world. Assam is the largest producer of tea in India, followed by West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, and other states of North India. Most popular tea types in India are Assam tea, Nilgiri tea, Darjeeling tea, and Kangra tea. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India, followed by Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka is also produces maize, tea, and sunflower in large quantities. Madhya Pradesh is India's largest pulse producing state, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. The state of Madhya Pradesh is also the largest producing state of soybean and garlic. Kerala is the largest producer of rubber in India, followed by Tamil Nadu, Northeast state, and Tripura. The state of Kerala is also largest producer of black pepper, small cardamom, and good amount of cloves and other Indian spices, as well exotic fruits. Sugarcane is a kharif crop or monsoon crop harvested in India during the rainy season. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Let's take a glance on agriculture facts. India is the largest producer of millet in the world and second largest producer of wheat and rice. India is the largest producer of chickpea and pulse in the world. India is the largest producer of ginger and okra in the world and second for dry beans, onions, cabbage and other bases. Also, third largest producer of cauliflowers and broccoli. India is one of the largest producer of wood fuel and forest products. Also, largest producer of buffalo milk, cow milk in the world. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of tobacco in India, followed by Assam, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Maharashtra is the largest producer of sugars in India as well as cashew nuts, grapes and onion. Tamil Nadu is the largest producer of kaswa in India as well as largest producer of bananas followed by Gujarat and Maharashtra. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.